You're no Jack Kennedy.
You're gonna need a bigger boat.
On a Monday morning in the summer of 1912, a man with a piece of wood and very limited resources did a very big thing. Fred Souter, the Chicago office manager of the Boston Insurance Company, was notified that one of his firm's Chalmers vehicles had been stolen. Back in those days, car dealerships would provide a stamped woodcut print of the stolen vehicle model to insurers so that they could prepare reward offers. Souter obtained a woodcut of the vehicle from the local dealership and began the process of preparing a reward notice that would be mailed out. Later that same morning, he received a call from another insurance company that one of their Chicago area Chalmers vehicles had been stolen. The local Chalmers dealership told the agent there to contact Souter and to use his woodcut of the vehicle, since he had the only one that existed in the Chicagoland area. Then, out of coincidence, Souter received another phone call that same morning from another agent, requesting use of the woodcut because one of their vehicles had been stolen too. Souter then got the idea that it would be more efficient if he included all three vehicles in one single reward bulletin, reducing mailing and preparation costs. Well, that one thought ultimately turned into the National Automobile Theft Bureau, which later merged in 1992 with the Insurance Crime Prevention Institute to form what is now the National Insurance Crime Bureau. For over 100 years, the NICB has been the nation's premier not-for-profit organization dedicated exclusively to fighting vehicle theft and insurance fraud, and is the only organization in the United States that convenes the collective resources needed to prevent, detect, and deter these crimes. The NICB is supported by more than 1,100 property and casualty insurers, car rental companies, parking companies, auto auctions, claims administrators, and self-insured organizations. Looking back to our roots with Fred Souter and his woodcut imprint of the Chalmers automobile, he likely never dreamed how far his fundamental idea of sharing crime-related information would travel 100 years later. He didn't foresee the advent of all claims databases, envision the extraordinary popularity of online training academies, imagine using Twitter, Facebook, and YouTube to communicate anti-crime messages, or predict we would be using advanced data analytics to investigate international criminal conspiracies. But what he did have on that Monday morning in the summer of 1912 was a vision of an industry working together to do the right thing. It's a vision that we have focused on for 100 years and are still committed to as we begin our second century of serving the American people.